Hello, my name is Brandon, and I want to tell you important information about Folifort. But first, I need to make an alert. Folifort is sold only on the official website of the product, which you can access through the link in the video description. Be careful, because there are people trying to sell fake products. What is Folifort? Folifort is a completely natural supplement that aims to rejuvenate the hair follicles in order to treat hair loss and promote hair growth. The supplement has been scientifically tested and proven to be effective. The Folifort formula is available in capsule form, with one bottle containing 60 capsules. It promotes hair regeneration, which helps to prevent hair thinning. As a result, the supplement promotes natural hair growth. What are the ingredients of Folifort formula? Folifort Anti-Hair Loss Supplement contains potent ingredients that have been shown to promote natural hair growth. The benefits of these ingredients are listed below in the Folifort reviews. Foti, the root of the foti plant is used to treat a variety of ailments. It contains ingredients that promote hair growth by increasing hair follicles. Foti has anti-aging properties as well. Biotin is a B-complex vitamin that has been shown to improve skin, hair, liver, eyes, and nerve health. It stimulates keratin synthesis, which speeds up follicle growth and reduces hair loss. Zinc is an essential mineral that can be obtained from food or health supplements. It promotes hair growth by regulating the oil glands surrounding the hair follicles, and it also aids in the treatment of baldness. Nettle root, nettle leaves and roots have traditionally been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of health issues. These roots contain silica and sulfur, which promote hair growth and luster. They also prevent DHT, dihydrotestosterone, from damaging hair follicles. How Folifort works. It's crucial to research a health supplement's mechanism of action before purchasing. This will assist you in comprehending the procedure, the potential advantages, and whether any adverse effects are likely to occur. So, the next time you buy a supplement, consider how it impacts the body and how it functions. Let's examine how Folifort works to promote hair development in the following review. According to scientific research, the androgen dihydrotestosterone, DHT, which is generated from testosterone, is the primary cause of hair loss and damage. The modifications that take place in the body throughout puberty are brought on by this hormone. DHT shrinks the hair follicles, which results in hair loss. By inhibiting DHT and preventing the conversion of testosterone into DHT, the Folifort pill works. By fortifying the hair follicles in this manner, all of the formula's key constituents control hair regrowth. What are the benefits of Folifort? Let's look at some Folifort reviews to understand how this supplement might help you grow your hair. Make sure to research a supplement's validity and the advantages you stand to gain before buying it. The following is a list of the advantages that Folifort hair growth pills provide. At every age, the Folifort solution prevents hair loss and encourages hair growth. It functions as a remedy for preventing hair damage. Folifort is made up of naturally occurring chemicals that support healthy hair growth by fortifying hair follicles. It inhibits the DHT hormone, which is the main factor for hair loss. Folifort capsules should be taken on a regular basis to help with hair damage. It also promotes hair growth by increasing cellular hair regeneration. All of these advantages are provided by the formula's natural and scientifically proven ingredients. Don't wait any longer. Order your discounted bottle now. Access the official Folifort website via the link in the description. Take advantage of the promotional prices. This offer is for a limited time.